Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn about how to remove text after or before specific text. Alright, you can see I have a data here. Full name is Rudra Chhetri, Sunil Kumar, Vikas Shekhawat, Kiran Chhetri. And what I want firstly second name to be removed. Then I'll show you how we can remove the first name. Alright, so to perform this task, what do I need to do? First, select the data. This is my data. Let me select this. I have to remove the second name from this data, so I'll select this. I'm using shift key then drop down. This is my data which I have selected. What am I supposed to do now? I'll use a shortcut key, is Control H. So this is the shortcut key, Control H. So to perform this task, or I can say to remove the second name, you need to first give a space. You can see there is a dialog box we have got with this shortcut key, Control H, find and replace. So what we have to first type here in find what section we will give. Firstly, you will give a space. I have given one single space. Now I am using shift star. To get a star, you need to use shift key. So space and star. Then what we will do, just simply click on replace all. Now let's see what result we get. So now we can see we have got the result. Second name is removed from our data. We have the first name remain. So all done, we have made 7 replacements. So this is how you can remove the second name. Just for your convenience, I have written this step here so that you never forget. So now let's learn how we can remove the text before. Remove the first name, I need to have the second name first. So we have a same data here. Now I want first name to be removed from my data. So what am I supposed to do? I'll select the data first with the help of shift and drop down. With the help of shift drop down, I have selected the data. Now I'll use Control H. So what we did in the previous one, to remove the last name, we first put space then star. Now we will do the just reverse thing. What we will do, first star then space, star space in find what section. Very simple. Now replace all. You can see first name is removed from the data. So this is the process through which we can remove the first name or last name, or you can say this is the process. This is how we can remove text before and after. So I hope you remember the step. This is how we can remove the text after and text before. First you will select the data. First you select the data, then Control H and find what section you will firstly use to remove the last name. Second, to remove the text after, you will use space then star, and to remove the first text before, you will use star space. So this is Very simple guys, and very interesting shortcut key. This is very simple and very important shortcut key through which you can do your work easily and save your time. So this is all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something with this video. If you like this video, do